I am going to go through my order from Us and the Earth. Now, I've ordered a few times from these guys, and they do a whole range of beautiful eco-friendly goodies for your house. So one of my favorite products, I ordered these a few months ago, and they're wool balls you put in your dryer, and it actually helps your clothes separate in the dryer, and it dries them faster. The other great thing is I can put essential oils on these balls, and then it makes all my clothes smell so good. So these are my reusable bags. Now, I use these for my fruit and veggies at the farmer's market, or if I go to the supermarket, and there's a range of sizes with them, but I find these so good to stop using those little plastic bags they give you at the supermarkets. You don't need them. The reusable ones are fabulous. And then also I have my little straw kit here. And what I like about this is you get like your fatter straw for your smoothies, your little bendy one, a thin one there, and the little brushes to clean the straws. I especially love the smoothie ones. We drink heaps of smoothies in my house. I also got some more stainless steel pegs. Now, I've already ordered 2 or 3 lots of these, but I've actually replaced all my clotheslines now with these. And I have some that I bought 6 months ago. They've been outside in the sun, the rain. They are absolutely perfect. So I can see these lasting a lifetime. And you can get bigger ones for your towels and smaller ones for your smaller items. So definitely a fabulous product. I am never going to have to purchase pegs again in this lifetime. Now, this product I'm super excited to use this week. They're called soap berries. Now, these, you just have a few of them. You put in your bag, tie it off, put in your washing machine, and you can add a few drops of essential oils. And these actually make a little lather and wash all your clothes. So soap berries, something totally new I haven't used before, and I'm pretty excited. So it says you can use them for shampoo or soap alternatives, dishwashing liquid, laundry detergent, stainless steel and glass cleaner. So how fabulous is that? And lastly, I got my eco cleaning box. Now, this box is full of all the goodness you need to clean your house. And I love the little scourers. This brush is going to be great. But there's all different shapes and sizes for all your different cleaning in your house. So totally excited with this box. So head on over and check Us and the Earth out. Like I said, they have a huge selection of eco-friendly products. I've ordered a few times, spent my money here. So yeah, have a look.